Kikubor kibunya. Katanat boarding jong ke Jalan Meghalaya lembah ke Meecl keladap ban Pynkhreh ban Aiwai ke Jaka Kaba klem pendon kam kabahek Kumba aspa nyopulai poin sapwai akar Hajan kawa Umiam. Syakat kikam jengok kai perthai kenang bakan yo ban pen internet ia kini ke Jaka na kebenta kikam jengok kai. Menteri ketanat boarding UAT mondal ulaong bala IT ia kini ke Jaka kenang ba kan on khanglat ya ka jing sya kelun Jakatu. Kini ka jing Aiwai kalong nak kebentaan ru post 6 bat kelak ban penjunsur salai post 6. Nak kaliang ke Meecl kenyai beteng ban long kanong sumare kawa Umiam bat kan khanglat ikinu ki jing tei Hajan ke tei kawa. Lada kam yahap kat kum ki kendon perkhing balabu. Lembah ketanat jengok kai ke don ka jing temu ban tei ya ka 5-star hotel bat ka jing snai ki Jaka Shongliang ha kawa Umiam.
Umiam area, we are having huge quantum of land, and those are just lying idle. And as such, Meecl is not having anything to do with this plot of land. Then there are reports of encroachment, and all these things are coming. Similarly, tourism department has approached power department to give them land for further development on lease basis. We have agreed and will be giving them land. Exact quantity I don't remember. This will be handed over them very soon.
Menteri yang ba ke Jelau Konrad Kisang mau lapli ke Karkhana